we creators, and they gon' need saviors, yeah. Money, money, I feel make paper. Need a little bit more than an acres.
Them ask good music. When I cry out for good music. The past 5 to 6, 7 years, when I want some sweet soul. Right now, with artists where she have some emotions and she have some signs to tell them about. You get me? I say.
Minded my business.
Who's Complex Ricki?
Complex Ricki, I'm a singer, songwriter, artist all around. I'm also a painter. That's how it started. And I make reggae music, I make Afro beats, Afro dancehall, and all types of genres.
The name Complex Ricki though, like when I hear Complex Ricki, you feel like you think about a male right away. This like the name, how it come about the name though?
You know, so everybody asks me about that in Jamaica, and honestly, people have a negative connotation of complex, and it's like, it means a whole of interconnected parts, and I feel like I'm very multifaceted. Like I said, I'm a painter. I started just all around artist. So I just was going by Ricki. I always went by Ricki since high school. My real name is Ricolette, so it just cut short like, oh, Ricki. And Complex came about because I had my Instagram name as that, like Complex Ricki. But I realized everybody kept calling me Complex, and I was like, you know, say kind of have a ring to it. And things started kind of taking off when I made it Complex. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just keep it.
Just come be mine, baby. We both see signs.
How did you actually got into music though?
My first boyfriend, he was a painter, and he had a brother that was a producer. And I had a whole bunch of friends that was different artists, models, or whatever, but everybody was in the art world. And I was fresh out of high school, and I was going to college at the time. But I was like, I really don't feel like this is it, you know. I feel like I'm an artist. I want to find what's good for me. And my brother was already a musician or whatever, so I had it around me. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna write my first song.
I feel like I'm drowning.
For a while, I was just trying music. So I put it on SoundCloud, and I got a good feedback. Like the first month, it was over 20,000 streams on SoundCloud. So I was like, yo, all right, I'm gonna keep doing this. And everybody told me to continue, so that's what I did.
If you got a roof over your head.
Where are you actually from? Are you Jamaican?
Yes, I'm from Kingston, Jamaica, but I kind of grew up back and forth from Jamaica to Cleveland, Ohio. So my personality is Jamaican, but I'm still a little bit Americanized.
Yeah, cause the accent kind of strong. When you hear the patois, you get me? I say.
Well, it's weird because when I'm talking to my mother, people be like, whenever no say can chat patois, I'm gonna say yeah, but it's an innate thing. It just only happens with my mom. It's weird.
You think that's the reason why your music kind of like, not say all over the place, but you don't actually fix yourself to a genre?
Yeah, because it's a melting pot, I would say.
Mention sound, like who's on your playlist growing up though? Like Jamaicans?
Okay, who is on my playlist? Like Busy Signal, Egyptian, Cartel, Spice.
There's nothing that can go wrong.
How would you describe your song?
I just would say it's alternative, but it's still cultural. So while it's reggae, dancehall, Afrobeats, more so Afrobeats and reggae. But yeah, that's just what I would say.
Because at times this is some songs for you. You have a sound like Lila Ike, you know. You get me, I say, then back again. You have a different jazzy vibes. I say, yo, it's like you mix it though, like.
Yeah, well, my two biggest inspiration even right now with the music I'm making is Sade and Bob Marley. So that's kind of what I grew up on. So I feel like that's where it comes from.
So the more positive side of music.
Yeah.
And friendly side.
Yeah, and like, clean.
And clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, in Jamaica right now, you know, the female side dancehall or reggae, you find clean version actually go out. Like females from the old, like a long time I see a breakout artist with some clean song. How you feel about that when you come to Jamaica and you see how it's like it going in one different direction though? Like what are your thoughts on that?
I would be honest, I've tried both, and I feel like what really sticks to me is a more timeless sound, something that I feel like even kids can listen to. So that's just where I would like to stick to right now.
Yeah, some new projects are running right now, so they can find themselves. Like talking about the new songs and ever, and you have one of them Signs where bad like a. Huh?
Thank you. So with Signs now, it's a reggae song. The musicians I'm working with, the producer is Nico Grasky. I'm just really proud of it because the verse and the chorus I had written prior to meeting him, and I brought it to him, and I was like, I want to make a song out of this, and he turned it into what it is now. So I'm just really proud of everything we're putting out right now.
Since I've been to Jamaica though, like how the space look to you between reggae and dancehall?
I feel like reggae is good because the other day I got booked to do Bob Marley's 81st birthday, and I performed there, and I got a really good feedback. The fest that just happened, that was really big, Lit Fest, Lost in Time. So I think it's in a good space.
So it's fair to say that you would collab with a reggae artist instead of a dancehall artist?
No, I would definitely collab with a dancehall artist and a reggae artist. I don't limit myself. That's the thing. But I wouldn't lie to you and tell you that I'm in the dancehall scene, because I'm not.
Who's your dream collab?
Ooh. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like right now, a good collab, I would love a cartel.
A cartel.
I was like, I'm making reggae music, but a cartel feature would be lit. I'm not gonna lie, because that's like one of my inspirations.
A cartel really lived himself. As a dancer artist, he don't really limit himself still now.
Yeah, he does limit himself. So I feel like he would do something with me. But like, yeah, cartel would be dope.
So what's next for Complex Ricki though?
So I'm working on an EP, which is the first single I dropped now, which I was just speaking about, Signs. That's my first reggae song. I have a reggae EP coming up, and it's called Lover. And it's about 5 to 7 songs, and we're pushing them out. It's gonna be dropped this year. So the next single coming up, and it's called Too Sweet.
So what's the most intense thing about Complex Ricki now?
I feel like the most intense thing about me is the fact that I'm an artist all around. As I said before, I'm a painter, and I'm a singer, I'm a songwriter, and I live and breathe music. This is the only thing I do.
What would you change different though to actually showcase your talent and other talents just as yourself in this dancehall and reggae scene?
But I don't think I would change anything. I do feel like what Jamaica brings, you know, it's like if you can make it here and you can get a Jamaican audience to love you, then when you go anywhere else, you have it locked. So I feel like with me performing here and doing all the shows that I'm doing now, it's just making me stronger and a better artist. So it's not much I would change.
And for the song right now, we're in the place, Signs. Like, the fans of your piece, right?
We creators, and they gon' need saviors. Money, money, I can make paper. Need a little bit more than an acre. I've been minding my business and you still on my mind. Just gonna be mine, baby. We both see signs. I've been minding my business and you still on my mind. Just gonna be mine, baby. We both see signs. Yeah.
See it now, there's your sign. Sign good music. Complex Ricki, she's here to stay.
Thank you for having me.
Bless her.